Hey, so here's interesting app which is called Gas. Find your crush, see who likes you. It's going viral pretty fast. However, as I understand, it's pretty limited. It's not available worldwide or around all the states in the United States. Um, yeah, it's another way of like NGL app, not gonna lie app, or send it. So it's like anonymous polls, and yeah, it's kind of one of these trivia anonymous games. Gus is where friends tell you what they love about you and know they won't done on you like other anonymous apps. Join your school, add friends, answer polls, get flames when picked. Start guessing up on your friends. So yeah, there you have it. So as you can see, it's number one in social networking right now. And to install it, yeah, just install it. However, I will just try to show you in this video if it's available or not. The app is not that big, it's just 68 megabytes, so no worries. Then you just need to enter your age, and then yeah, you just need to connect your school to find your friends. So yeah, location is only used to find nearby schools. So after you do that, it should be available. But again, it's only available in selected states. It's coming rolling out super fast across all the schools, but not everywhere yet.